Here we go. Hey guys, sorry about that. What is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host, the Wolf. Here tonight again. Well, it's not gonna be a wolf tonight. There is a wolf tonight. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin next targets. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Now, for some reason, my PC's struggling right now. It's weird. It shouldn't be. But for some reason, I just keep on crashing left and right. Let's get this going on here again. Resize this to where I'm at here again. And make myself smaller. There we go. Here I am back. Weird that this crashed. So, yeah, thank you for joining me tonight. Calicrop Duck, what is up? Bring facts. Hey, man. You in any trades? Yeah, I have trades open. Have trades open for Ethereum mainly. Not so much Bitcoin, but Ethereum. It's mainly where I'm basing most of my trading at. So yeah, my Ethereum trades are open. By the way, every now and then comes a time in a man's life when he asks himself, beer or water? I chose the former. Cheers. It is Sunday, I know. But it's good. It's a good Sunday. Apparently my PC's struggling for resources. It says here I have not enough memory to open the page. So I'm not sure how the stream is going to go. I'm not sure why this is struggling for resources. It's awkward. It's never happened in the past. So we shall see. We shall see how the stream goes, right? So hopefully I'm not going to crash. Just going to try to keep little things as I can open to basically not have my PC crash. Anyways. Let's see what's going on, right? Let's look at market cap. And then we'll get a look at Bitcoin targets, right? Anyways, yeah, sorry not being here yesterday. Sorry about not being here yesterday. Took a day off. I came back from traveling, went to talk to the wife and chill for a day. It's good stuff. I'm gonna be out of town on the 22nd. Anyways, bullish divergence, action to upside. That's the last thing we looked at, right? And we hadn't broken the 20. We finally broke that 20, which is good. And right now, we don't have anything bearish yet, right, that we could look at. So far, so good. Hitting the $1.03 trillion market, sitting at 1.02 trillion. And it's fine. We're not going crazy. We need to get above that 1.03 trillion. We're also seeing that struggle translate to Bitcoin to some extent. And we're going to talk about that in a second. So to wait for this Bitcoin chart to open. That's probably what I was going to say. Waiting. Oh, no, it loaded. There we go. So Bitcoin, right? Last time we looked at Bitcoin, right? That was bullish divergence. We were here on Friday, I think. Thursday. I can't remember what day I wasn't here. I was not here on this day. I was not here on this night. So this 2 days I was not here. Then it's Saturday, and then it's Sunday, and then this is Monday, right? So Monday's struggling below 21,155. We need to get above that target. That is a target that we must get above. If we do 23,200 and above there, 25,000 is going to be the next target that we must get above, right? That gets us above this target back here. Now, if we do drop, if we do reject this zone, look for 19,666, but on the way down, again, 21,394 and 20,911. Are we out of the woods? Not yet. We're back in our old comfy trading zone, right? This zone that we're in back here of this channels that we just keep on hitting to some extent. So hopefully we can get something going on here to where we either break to the upside or downside, but we just need to break this zone, right? Hey, Andrew, what's up? Hey, Elon, how's it going, man? Sorry, I itching. Anyways, something has to break. Is there divergence here? Yes, there is hidden divergence. There's a break here of negative momentum too. And there's another one here. So I think we should acknowledge it for what it is. And I think that's what we're seeing right now happening, and some of that pressure building at that key area. 29,955. Sorry, guys. One of my eyes is itching like crazy. And also I ate spicy food, and I washed my hands, but yeah, I didn't wash them good enough. And now one of my eyes is burning it a little bit. Oh no. The revenge of the sauce. Not that bad. I put pepper in my eyes every day so I can see clear trades. Once I can get a really scratch this eye. I know the wolf was twitching. I'm not. Anyways, let's see what's going on here. Bearishness, right? Hidden bearish, starting to stagnate a bit. Not a lot happening here on the RSI, just against the MACD. Neutral 57.51. Nice recovery in Bitcoin. Now, if you remember on Bitcoin, when we were talking about this back here, I said we need to wait for breaks. And the breaks I wanted to see were above that 20 moving average. And that's when I sent War, because he was the one that was in some longs. I sent him this, and I see the break above the 20 a little bit later on the 15-minute chart. And I was talking about when we were watching live and how that break happened on the 15-minute chart, how it happened on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the 1 hour, right? Once we got those breaks going, Bitcoin really took off. And that's why I was telling you guys, I was waiting for a break above the 20 so I could open positions, right? And reason for that was we know when those breaks happen, we can expect wild swings potentially to the upside, particularly if breaking that 20 to the upside. So for me, we need to get breaks going. And once those breaks were happening, should have been smoother sailing, right? So here we have that break as well with bullish divergence. Haven't created anything bearish since. We just went higher, more positive and higher still. And right now, we are starting to develop some of this bearish divergence. Not coming up higher here, right? And coming down lower over here on the MACD and here on the RSI for this last bit. So there's bearish divergence, strong potential for moving down. Again, targeting 21,294. And then if we do break there, 20,911. And then if we break there, 19,666. Now, am I super bullish? Not yet, right? I'm not super bullish. Not super bullish, right? So we're going to see how things keep on going here for Bitcoin. Again, overbought at 75.94 with strong bearish divergence potential for moving down, right? Just like we had it here while being oversold, right? Remember to go into oversold, 29.01. Strong bullish. Remember how I told you this is what we look for when we look for those breaks to happen and that bullish divergence to carry through? Yeah, now we have the opposite, right? We're completely overbought with strong bearish divergence. That tells me that that trend has weakened and we should in turn look for movement down. So targets, 20 moving average is going to be there to catch us as well. You know, 21,294, then the 20, then 20,111 if we break that 20, right? It also happened a day after. The pump happened a day after the Queen's departure, right? Anyways, look at this, right? We're looking for the bullish there. We're looking for the break here. This is from the shorter time scales. This is from like the 15-minute or the 5-minute. But anyways, bullish divergence. Last time we called here on the 1 hour. Then we didn't have anything to here. Hit that 20, popped again. Very nice continuation. Nothing here. Bearish. Now there is bearishness happening on this last bit. For one move, it's from here to here, right? And that is against the RSI. Sorry, against the MACD. Also against the RSI, but against the RSI, I'm going to anchor it differently. And you're going to see here in a second. It goes from here to here, right? Or we can take it two parts if you want. We can go from here to here and then, you know, from here to here. I would just anchor it as one move on the RSI. The reason I'm anchoring in two is because the MACD doesn't have it, right? The MACD you're going to see here coming lower, and then here we don't have it to this point. But against the RSI, we do. So strong bearish once, twice, at a key area of resistance, denying that zone. And again, in that move, we break that 20. Again, looking for that 21,294, right? Those are targets for Bitcoin to the downside. We're talking to the upside, right? Up to 25,000 after we break 23,000 and change, right? To the downside, looking all the way down to 19,666 as the main support. So let's see what's happening with Ethereum, right? Ethereum's also performing nice. Ethereum, 1,740. Didn't pump as good as Bitcoin one of the days, but it did manage to recover. All right, let's zoom in here. All right, so Ethereum on the daily is developing hidden divergence, just like Bitcoin had, all right? So let's look at the move here. I think Bitcoin also had it. I think we called it on Bitcoin. That is a move here, and then here the move comes. Here, right? Low. And coming up slightly higher. We have that hidden divergence starting to move down again. Like I said, recovered, but not like Bitcoin. So breaking below 1,674, man, not looking so hot, right? But for now, we could move down to that zone, find support, and then try to pump again. If we do break there, 20 moving average below, then below there, 1,465. I think it's in the main area we're going to be looking for. Neutral 57.22. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Glitch to glitch. What's up, dude? Anyways, bearish divergence moved down. We haven't looked at this since. All right. Bearish divergence strong here. All righty. Cool. Strong bearish divergence, potential fractional downside starting to break down. Hitting the 20, trying to find support. And you can tell we've hit it and we're kind of bouncing right on it, which is not bad. And sitting in neutral at 57.27. That's it. I mean, nothing else going on here, just that bearish divergence breaking there. 1,674. If we do pump, looking for that hit of up here at 1,851. That's on the bounce from that 20. That's gonna be a pretty good target. Getting there, man. I think starts to change the tune. That means Bitcoin's getting to that 25,000. It really sees Ethereum on an uptrend. And again, like I said, Ethereum's recovering better than Bitcoin, and we could see a better recovery coming through, leading Ethereum to higher areas of value over long term. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We had this bearishness, right? Hidden bearish, down and sideways. That's the last time we were live here on the 7th. We haven't been back here since. So let's see this pumping a bit more, right? Look at this. All right, so we have now strong bearish divergence potential for a movement down. All right, we're moving down a bit. Hidden bullish coming in. Let's zoom in here. Yeah, some hidden bullish trying to come in here. Hidden bullish divergence. That's going to get us to where we try to rally, hit that 20. We already hit it once, twice. We're rejecting it, right? So first time, second time. Not so hot, right? Don't look so hot because we're just rejecting that zone twice. That could tell us that we're not strong enough to get above that 20. And that could lead us to 1,674. So that's a target I'm looking for, 1,674 buckaroos for Ethereum, right? On a continuation of a movement down. Neutral 42.70 on the RSI. That means we could go either way. We're neutral, but you know, it looks as though the movement's not strong enough to get above that 20 and breaking and sustain above that 20. So with that said, let's look at Riot real quick. Someone requested Riot. I think it was Elon or oh yeah, I think it was Elon. Let's look at the Riot, man. What is happening? We haven't seen Riot in a while, so let's go on the daily and the weekly. That's when we're gonna look at this stuff, right? All right. Last time we were looking at here, we're looking for a potential break. We got that break. Upside motion, right? Measure move probably also hit on that triangle pattern that we're trading, right? That's the move. And let's get this over here. Once it broke, yeah, look at that measure move hit. Once the measure move is completed, look for a retrace. So that went pretty well. Haven't looked at it since. All right, let's zoom in here. I'm looking at the zone. Basically, I want to know what could happen here. We have some kind of bullishness developing here. Some slight bullishness here we had on the shorter time scales. I can see it here. It's probably from 4 hour or somewhere around that time. And here I'm looking at this move, right? Look from low point on the other side to a lower or higher low. Here we say we're going from negative to positive. It also works, but yeah. So bullish divergence, trying to get that rally here. There was bearish divergence strong, right? Reason for that movement down we're getting. Strong bearish, moving down, trying to get above 20 right now. And with the rally that we're seeing with Bitcoin, it would not be weird if we see a gap opening on for tomorrow, right? Look at the 12. We might have a gap opening to the upside because Bitcoin just has rallied so much. I think that's what's going to happen. So if you have after hour trading, look for that potential break. Here we're looking for a measure move up on breaking that triangle. We didn't. That's when crypto was crashing. It just completely obliterated that move. And here, there's bullish divergence strong for that potential rally to come through, right? So with that rally, we are seeing that movement up, going up, hitting the 20, rejecting it, trying to break it right now again. And with the move that we're getting with Bitcoin, that could potentially break that 20 and lead to where we have a nice green wick above. And then it might be a little bit better for Riot. And that's, I think, what could be in store for us. Todd, what's up, dude? Right on. So that, I think that's it for Riot, dude. You know, some hidden bullish here. Yeah, part of the reason we're in that rally as well. I think that's it, man. I don't think I see anything else here. Not gonna call for cup and handle. Obviously, we're not going to the same lip level. You know, no inverse head and shoulders. Nothing cool happening right now here. That's it for Riot. Up next, ERG, right? Here we go. $4 and 26 cents. We had bearish divergence. That's the last thing we looked at. Breaking down since. All right. So call was good. Aiming for the 20, right? That's the area that we should be looking for a potential area to hit. So nothing bullish happening since. Still in play. Same move. Same story. Nothing bullish coming through. Nothing nice coming through. Again, we could flag. I said we might flag. We didn't. We tried to flag. We failed. Breaking down last 2 days, right? 4 hours. Hidden bullish. This was going to get us to flag and move sideways. And look, it did play. We can call it to here, right? We were looking at this live. Obviously recovered on that candle, which is fine. And same move, right? So up and sideways, failing to break higher than the previous high, right? So failing to break higher than this high. And now starting to break back down. I think there is here a move. 0732, 074. All right. 714, 73. All right. So slightly less of that negative momentum happening here. Almost sideways, but it is not sideways. It is actually slightly less negative. So with that into account, I'm going to say there's some bullish divergence happening here. If you just want to say, hey, man, you know, it's a fraction, it's sideways, it'll just be weak bullish. But if you just want to say, hey, man, it is less negative momentum than the previous one, then it's strong bullish. In any case, we're looking for moving up to a 20 moving average. Right, 4.6 cents. And we're sitting sold at 37.96. So that's it. I mean, the fact that we're sold, need to get it back up to that neutral zone. That's fine. That comes with a bullish divergence that could lead us up to that 20 moving average. 1 hour chart, man, last time we were looking at here again, look, hidden bullish, right? Got our bounce, rejection of the 20, trying again, finally broke it. And that's about it. So let's look at what's happening here in the shorter term. I think, I'm gonna have to verify. I think there's bullish divergence here, and I just gotta zoom in here and see if we have it. No, we don't. We're also making more negative momentum. Oh no, we don't have anything bullish. So we're trying to rally, hitting the 20, rejecting, trying to hit the 20 again. We'll again see what's going to happen, but we just don't have anything bullish here. If anything, we have some hidden bearish. Right? I think the move here is going to be easy to see. Positive momentum, more positive momentum, right? As we are dropping lower on the price, right? So high, lower high. And with that, we're looking at this thing, all right, there's hidden bearish, we might reject, might even get to that 20 and reject, and then we're looking for a movement down. If we fail to get lower than the previous low here, then we could be looking for a reaction rally or something else to come in. Otherwise, not really good for us. That's it for Ergo. Back to the Bitcoin. And again, Andrew, not a lot has changed since we last looked at it, so the call was good. Bitcoin and the macro, our last call was still good, right? We had the bullish divergence on Bitcoin on the daily, right? We had that bullish divergence, action to the upside, and we have that hidden bearish. Starting to see the struggle, and we call this one out on the 6th. Starting to get that rally, very nice. Again, there were questions about whether or not we should open long, and I said wait until we break above the 20s, right? And we did. We broke above the 20 in the 4 hour. Right afterwards, on the 8th, or if you want to be a little bit more precise, on the 8th, we also got that bounce when we were talking about this move on the 1 hour chart. We were looking for this break above the 20. We got it on the 7th at 8 in the morning, right? And then on the smaller time scales, particularly the 5-minute and the 15-minute, we're looking at this break, and we had it here, right? So we got it here at on the 7th at 8 in the morning, 7 in the morning. Same break to the upside, right? And on the 5-minute chart, we also got it a little bit earlier, but you know, when War was talking about his longs and having his longs open, I said wait for the break above the 20, right? He was going in here, we didn't have anything bullish or anything else to sustain, then we're gonna get upwards motion, except the bullishness on the daily and the 1 hour but we wanted to get a clear break above that 20 for us to know that this was gonna be good. So once we get the break on the 5 minute, you can see how that translated to the 15 minute, right? We got that break, staying above that 20 for a while, then flagged a bit, moved higher again. Very nice move after we got those breaks above the 20, right? And that's what I was talking about on the 7th, and it was particularly this: get the breaks above the 20 before you set up your positions, right? Confirm that you're not going to get a rejection of the 20 moving average, because that would have been catastrophical for Bitcoin. But the fact that we have managed to sustain the bullish divergence, and we just managed to keep on pushing through. Again, we looked at this one I drew today. Again, remember the two bearishness and how now it looks as though we're going to struggle to get higher than the previous high. Now, if we do try to go higher, still going to be anchoring to a lesser point on the RSI, and that is still going to be giving us trouble here. Right, so watch out for that. Right, again, hidden divergence on the daily, and the last thing we had was a strong bullish. So our call for reversal was good, right? On the 4 hour, we also had bullishness. Remember, we had bullishness on the 4 hour, the daily, and the 1 hour. Usually it tells us that we're looking for that movement to the upside, but we need to get those breaks above the 20. That would confirm that our positions and our thinking is right, that we're not gonna get rejected, and the bullish trend that we're trying to spot is gonna be weak, right? And it's gonna face troubles as soon as it tries to rally. Crypto Wizard, what's up, dude? Right on. So yeah, let's roll. I think so far we've looked at everything that everyone's wanted. So is there any other requests anyone have here for any of this project? Let me know. Oh man, how things gotta go, man. How things gotta go. I wonder. By the way, I happened to watch Thor. I have to watch, Thor: Love and Thunder. It wasn't that bad. It was also not the best movie out there by any means. I'm glad I didn't go to the theater to watch that. KDA. Let's show KDA. You thought it was awesome? There's some parts that are just like, yeah, not so good. Hey man, I think it was okay. I'm not gonna say it's the worst movie. It ain't gonna freaking win an Oscar, that's for sure. Yeah. I just thought it was okay. I mean, if it wins an Oscar, I'm gonna be surprised. I think it's okay. The special effects were not. I think there's better special effects out there. You can see it. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it was just okay. For expectations and what what we expect of Marvel movies to be and things like that. I think we should have seen something better. That's just my my 2 cents regarding that, right? I think we should have seen something better from Marvel. It just feels like they were really lazy with this movie. So the humor was better? Yeah, the first action scene is completely stupid, man. He's like a Van Damme movie. He also does a split. I think it's just friggin' dumb. Anyways, KDA. Bullish divergence popping. Great, not a lot happening since 4 hour chart. All right, there's bearish divergence now. Oh, look at that. Oh, nah, the bearishness. Just gotta break it down. Oh, what? Yeah, starting to move down, man. I'm gonna go for that 20. Kind of almost hit it. Not quite there yet, but strong bearish against the MACD and the RSI. Could look for a break below here. Right at the 1.59 cent. We're sitting at $1.61. So we could still move down, hit that 20 break below there in the 1 hour chart. There was JZVD movie, not movie, series. I thought they're gonna come out with a sequel or a second season. I mean, the first one kind of weird. I thought it was gonna be a second one. There wasn't. Neutral at 52.87. Again, bearish divergence moving down on that. Again, to that support zone. Look at how we hit it spot on. Great, our supports are good. And we're trying to bounce it, right? Again, that's the one we saw here on the 4 hour. Right, so not bad. Waiting for something to happen. We're just not getting any clear moves here, right? On Cadena, that's it. Now let's go check out the docs at XMR. So let's go check out XMR. Oh man, sideways motion, right? Not really seeing anything super clear here. High to low, pause. Low, high. Some hidden. I mean, the only thing I can see is that from here to here, there's some kind of hidden bearish. Got the movement down, and now we're bouncing, but really not doing a lot after that, right? I'm just being generous right now with the project. Really not a lot going on here. Neutral at 55.47 on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. There might be something here that could be better for us to look at. Right, look, coming up higher, more positive and higher still. So nothing bearish, right? Even to here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish either. Bought at 61.98. 1 hour chart. There was bullish divergence to here. And then it gets a little bit choppy, but there is bullish divergence from here to here as well. And what do I mean is going to be a little bit choppy? Let me open up this. So the first one's from here to here, and then the second one goes from here to here, but I'm ignoring this data here. I'm ignoring these points, because otherwise we wouldn't have anything. I'll be going to here. Again, I just think there's a blip happening there, so I'm ignoring it as such. And I think this is the bullishness that we're looking for. And that's what's getting us to get that small movement to the upside, right? All right, let's keep it rolling. What is up, Philip? How's it going, my friend? My friend, how's it going, dude? I'm actually gonna write it here, my friends. What's up, my friends? Let's look at the... Yeah, we're gonna go check out my cousin Doge. Let's see how it's doing. Doge. Or some people say, Doge. Who was that dude that used to say Doge? I think it was a Doc also. Or like DGen Doc or Doc DGen. I can't remember. It was on like Twitch. He hit an itch with a twitch. He said, yo, Doge. All right, let's look at Doge. 6 cents. 6.32. Hey, look at it. It's trying to hold. There is bullish divergence strong with the Doge. The bullish divergence is strong with this one. Yogurt the Great. No, it's just plain yogurt. Neutral at 46.57. 4 hour chart. There's bullish divergence, you know. Sorry, I didn't call anything here. I just drew the lines as a neutral. Bullish divergence strong action to the upside. Trying to get a pop, getting above the 20, but right now struggling to sustain it, right? We are still above the 20, but we're struggling because we're just bouncing on it. We keep on bouncing, we're going to break it. Gonna move down, nothing bearish overhead. That's it for the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. All that I just said completely went inside my head the first time I was looking at this, and I was like, oh, I just realized I didn't say anything for Doge. I just changed the chart. All right, there is a bearishness here. Good. Look at that. Strong bearish. Potential action to the downside. Oh, no, we're breaking down. Oh, no, Captain, we're going down. Hitting the 20, right? Trying to hold it here right now, breaking it. Looks as though we're really fighting to stay above that 20. Nothing bullish happening. Neutral at 53.39. That's about it, though. Right. We're gonna see, right, Philip? I think we could look for potential movement down. There is bearish efforts on Bitcoin. Look at this. Strong bearish. Potential fraction of downside. Now we're breaking down. Down we go. Trying to expand this Bollinger Band to the downside. Nothing here. Low, lower, low. More negative momentum. Lower still. Neutral at 47.16. That on the other side just tells us we're cool. It's perceived as a relatively okay price for this. Below the 20. Felt to get above it, man. Nothing really bullish happening here. I think that's it, man. There's really not a lot happening for Doge as well. Just bearishness. Strong bearish. Moving down. Yeah, we're doing that. Not with super strength. Because, you know, crypto's trying to hold. Bitcoin's been rallying the last couple days, so we're going to see how things are going to keep on going for the corn. The corn, Pops. It's a corn, man. Oh, man. What's up, dude? Let's look at the Bitcoin weekly, eh? Yeah, look at the week. It's closing on the green. But as you can tell, the week, even though we're bounced a bit, this week so far looks a little bit like this. Not exactly the same, right? But it looks a little bit like it. And what I mean here is, look, we had the moving down, sideways motion, right? I'm gonna go to another chart so I can show you this. Maybe one that's clean on the weekly. This one might have something, but it's not gonna have data, I think. Yeah, it has a little bit of data, but it's doable. So down sideways, right? That's down sideways, right? Then we had our down up, right? Down, up, down. We might go for that up, right? So see how, I mean, it looks a little bit like it. It's not exactly the same, but it follows somewhat the same, right? So down sideways, down sideways. Down up, down up. Right? Down up, down up. Haven't quite gotten that high kicker that we got here. We could try to go for a slightly higher kicker here and see where that leads. So, right? See what I'm looking at? See, people, what I'm looking at? Now, here on the movement, right? Had our bounce to the 236 here. We didn't quite get to that 236, but we kind of got close to it, right? So we're rejected after hitting that 382. So that 382 gets us to 29,000, right? If we do get a bounce and Bitcoin magically gets above the 20, like it did here, pops, hit that 29,000 and rejects, we might be looking at a drop of significant value like we had here. Percentage wise, that second drop is probably going to be more, but we're looking at a 45% drop, and then we're looking for a 58% drop. So we get something similar, right? And again, I'm just gonna get a measure from you know, whatever that area might be here. Look for about a 48 or 58, right? 58 puts us around 12,000, which we know is one of our targets in the moving down, right? So again, we're not getting the cleanest crypto read on the market, but to some extent it kind of looks like it is trying to do an extremely similar move to what we have seen before, right? So that's the way I'm looking at it. That's why I'm saying we're not out of the woods. Yes, we're having a rally, and even on downtrends and on bearish times we have rallies, right? And that is fine. It's okay to have rallies. There's nothing wrong. It just comes with cycles. But with that said, not trying to be bearish, we could still expect to see another movement down. Right? So just keep that in mind, guys. Just keep that in mind. XRP to the moon. Lunk. Check out the lunk. Alright, LUNC. Luna Classic, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Terra Classic. Whatever. The old Luna that is taking a rally. Yes, it's going higher. Hit that with 4618. Look at that, right? Nice. So we were looking at something here. We have targets to the upside on bullish divergence. And lo and behold, we magically bumped to the upside. It's a magically delicious, right? So very nice recovery. At point a lot of zeros and then 41 cents. So 0.00041 fractions of a dollar. We're looking at cents. We're looking at 0.04 cents. Bearish divergence, right? That is the first thing that pops into my eyes when I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter B. Bearish divergence. Ha ha ha. Yes, we're moving down. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction to downside, right? And moving down from there. 4-hour chart. Oh, look, we also have bearish divergence here. How fun. Magical and mighty. This is, oh, look at it here. It's a bearish divergence. Right? Alright, bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside, dropping. Alright, strong bullish starting to come in. That's good. That's gonna get us to where we pop, right? Yeah, maybe we go for that 20 moving average. That's not gonna be bad. That 20 moving average, 0.3045. So that could be a somewhat nice of a pop, right? From where we're at, I think it's about a 10%. Nah, 9.5. Close enough. Neutral at 46.32. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour chart for Lunk. Lower, more negative momentum, lower. Still, alright. Low. Slightly lower, negative, less. Alright. There is some bullish divergence strong happening from back here. That's about it. Not really seeing a lot else happening, I think, at least for now. What's with this going on there? Let's zoom in and just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Hidden bearish. Heyo. I almost missed you, hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. Oh no, we rejected that 20 moving average. Oh, crazy. That's it for Lunk. Right now, we might still be looking for a move down, continuation, right, on that moving down. And we must get lower than, you know, this low here at that 0.3039 cents. If we do, could be looking for a little bit more of a sell-off. Then we're looking to anchor some bullish divergence, right? By that drop, we're going to probably be making less negative momentum than back here, and then looking for that bullishness so we can rally. Other than that, that's it, bro. Really not a lot else happening. Not a lot else happening. All right. Kind of go back out to the core. Bro. It is a Sunday. It's a Sunday. Oh, how am my little weird dudes doing? You know, the APEPES. APEPES! 0.4. What? Someone buy these things. Again, I have one of these, you know, robot eyes and weird diamond studs, so 0.68, not bad. And then the eye patch one still selling for 1.88. All right, not bad, not bad. Oh no, it's just seeing indecision on the Bitcoin daily. All right, so we're really fighting for this candle. Oh no, the massacre of the candle fight is not good. Yeah. I think, guys, that is gonna be it for tonight, right? That will be it for tonight. If you enjoy the content, right? It's Sunday. Go rest. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, crypto's still gonna be here tomorrow. I swear, it's still gonna be here. It's gonna be really weird if we wake up and there's no crypto. Right? But since crypto's gonna be here tomorrow, go get some rest. It's Sunday. Go enjoy your rest of the weekend. Watch something, relax, get away from the PC for a while. Marcus are still gonna be here unless you have a long or a short ride. Then set up an alert. But Marcus is still gonna be here tomorrow, and so we'll shall we? Hopefully. And yeah. So if without further ado, that's gonna be it for tonight. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. You posted on the Discord some 3D prints. All right. Where in the Discord are said 3D prints? I guess somewhere? Resources? I have no clue where you posted it. Thompson, where are you posting this? Maybe random. Oh. Oh. Nice. It is not on random. Dude. General? Oh, ha! Nice. Yeah, I could print some of those. That is no problem, my friend. Actually, right now I have some files open. I want to print, before I actually sign off, I'm going to talk about this. General, all right, cool. Yeah, send me the files. Send me the files. If you have them, send them the files. I can check into printing them. Right now I'm actually looking at printing a World Cup trophy. A full-size World Cup trophy that comes in two parts. Bottom part and the upper part. Now, if you know, World Cup's going to be in November. And a lot of people in the world loves the World Cup. So I think it's a good idea to capitalize on this. It's going to be a fairly good-sized trophy. It's going to measure. It has the actual measurements of the actual trophy. So I think it's going to be pretty nice. You having them made? Yeah, I wouldn't mind printing them. They look like a cool project. And I'm also going to be printing a Champions League cup, I guess. And I want to make mini World Cup trophies for people to have. So like smaller, like 10 centimeters high, that easier to color and paint and everything. And I'm also going to make full-size one, just see how many people want to buy that one. With the World Cup approaching, I think it's a good market to jump into. Not going to be able to get anything out for Halloween. But also looking into Christmas stuff already. Alright, so with that said, guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button, sub. Join us on Discord. Links have gone out. Right now I'm painting The Thinker by Auguste Rodin. Right, so someone actually asked for that. And I printed David from Michelangelo. So some people are asking for like real classical stuff. And some people are for like really, really weird perverted stuff. But again, that's, taste and preference. Anyways, guys, enjoy your Sunday. Thank you for watching again. If you enjoy the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Pinned at the top of the chat, or they should be pinned at the top of the chat. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto. Until then.